Today we will learn Ashtanga Vinyasa Surya Namaskar. There are two parts in it. Surya Namaskar A, Surya Namaskar B. Surya Namaskar A has 9 Vinyasa. Surya Namaskar B has 17 Vinyasa. It means 17 times with breath flow. Let's learn. Ashtanga Vinyasa Surya Namaskar. Samasthiti. Ekam inhale, raise your hands, watch your thumb. Dve exhale, Uttanasana. Trini inhale, head up. Chatvari jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Watch the navel for 3 to 5 breaths deeper. Sapta inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana, jump forward. Ashto exhale, head down. Nava inhale, raise your hands, watch your thumb. Samasthiti. Sun salutation B. Ekam inhale, Utkatasana. Dve exhale, Uttanasana. Trini inhale, Urdhva Uttanasana. Chatvari jump back, Chaturanga Dandasana. Pancha inhale, Urdhva Mukha Swan. Shat exhale, Adho Mukha Swan. Sapta right side, Virbhadrasana A. Ashto exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Nava inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Dasha exhale, Adho Mukha. Ekadasha inhale, Virbhadrasana left side. Dvadasha exhale, Chaturanga Dandasana. Triyodasha inhale, Urdhva Mukha. Chaturdasha exhale. 3 to 5 deep breath. Watch the navel. Panchadasha inhale, jump between the palm. Shodasa exhale, Uttanasana. Saptadasha inhale, Utkatasana. Samasthiti.